Number 4 is who they are back. Who is behind you? Listen, you cannot build any business just by yourself. So you need a team. Now, for most of you, all you see is Nhyira Premium and my face. That's all. But behind me are 8 people who are working day and night to make sure that whatever you see online for the in respect of the Nhyira Premium brand is what we want you to see. So it is not just me alone. I'm not the only person. Yes, you are seeing me on the video, but somebody is going to be editing this video. Yes, you are seeing me on the social media. Our page is growing, but somebody is responsible for that. Yes, you are seeing my books. Yes, I have a book that we have published, but there are some people who are working on that, making sure that we get everything done well. The designs are done well, making sure that everything is arranged, making sure that the book is published. There are some people behind the scene. If someone buys a book, they are supposed to ensure that the book is delivered to the person. So there is a team behind me. You cannot build any successful business all by yourself. So my question is, who they are back? Who is behind you? And this is very important because you have to learn team building. It is important you learn team building. It is not everybody that can come on your team, because you have to be careful. There are some people, their dreams do not align with yours. There are some people, their aspirations are different. There are some people, their values are different. So when you are bringing people together, when you are selecting a team as a rising entrepreneur, you have to be careful. So the fact that someone is your classmate does not mean they can be your business partner. The fact that someone is your family member does not mean you can be a business partner. You have to be careful, but you need people around you. So who they are back? Because the future of your business is dependent on the team you have around you. Let me take that again. The future of your business is dependent on the team around you. And if it is only you, I can guarantee you the business will not go anywhere. And if you have just some people around you who you can control, who cannot influence your decision, and because you are the boss, the business cannot go anywhere. There are things I want to do. There are things I want to say. By my team around me, there is somebody whose duty is to ensure that I say what I have to say because of the brand that we are building. And so there is somebody around me responsible for that. That is called team building. So that we make sure that whatever we do is in line with the brand we are building. Whatever we do represents the brand that we want to build. Whatever we post on social media represents the image, the message that we want to pass across. So who they your back? Who is behind you? That is a key thing you must understand if you want to build any successful business. Then the third thing is diversification. Now, as you start making money, as you start growing, as you start expanding, one of the dreams that are going to be coming into your heart is, hey, let's expand the business. And sometimes expansion to people means you diversify. But you got to be careful because there are 2 types of diversification. There is what we call concentric diversification and conglomerate diversification. Conglomerate diversification is where you go into a new business. So let's say that, okay, you have a laundry business and your laundry business is growing so much and you make some money from the laundry business. Then you're like, oh, I want to go into real estate. Then you buy land and you start building a house. That is conglomerate diversification. They have no relationship. But for the most part, when you're starting your business, what you want to do is to do what we call concentric diversification, where your expansion, your new venture, your new division has a relationship with the existing business that you have. So maybe you have a laundry business. All you do is clothing and all that. Okay, you want to expand and grow. What do you expand and grow into? Maybe you can add in office cleaning services. That is concentric diversification. It's within the same angle and it's within the same thing. So office cleaning services. So you're not now doing clothing alone, carpets alone. You're now cleaning offices. That is concentric diversification, because chances are the people who are already coming to wash their clothing at your laundry business, they are also managers and owners of businesses who require cleaning services. So you can easily grow that division of your business. You can easily expand your business with that. So when you start growing, when your business starts making money and you want to expand, be careful not to take the money to enter into a new venture that has no relationship with your existing business. For the most part, it needs to have a relationship with your existing business so that they feed each other. You get the idea? They feed each other, and that is how you can build a successful business. So diversification is key. That enables you to expand and grow, but be careful that you don't take the money from your business and go into something else that has no relationship with your existing business. First, your existing business must feed that new business. That new business must in return feed the existing business, so it becomes a loop. So if you build such entities or such divisions over a long period of time, then you can have a lot of money to do conglomerate diversification, where you go into something that has no relationship with your existing business. That is how you build a business with no money. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this topic, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section as well for me. If there is anything you want me to cover, also put it in the comment section for me, or you can send me a DM and I'll be covering it in my next episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, make sure you go out there and build that business today.